In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a text message using the new iMessage edit feature within iOS 16. Apple's recent release of iOS 16 has given us a bunch of new useful features inside of the Message app. In a previous video, I showed you how the unsend feature works and how to use it. In this video, we'll look at how to edit a sent text message. Before we begin, you must be updated to the latest iOS version, which as of now is iOS 16. But unlike the unsend feature, the person that you're messaging with does not need to be updated to 16 in order to see the edited text. They'll just all show up in their message feed with the edits that you've made. The other thing to be aware of, you can only edit text messages up to 15 minutes from when you send the original. So if you want to make an edit, just make sure that you do it within that 15-minute time frame. To get started, let's open the Message app. We'll begin by sending a text to somebody. To edit the text message that you just sent, press and hold onto the blue text bubble. If you see the bubble in green, this will not work. This means that it was sent not as an iMessage text, but just as a regular text message, and the person that you're sending it to may be on an Android device or your iMessage is turned off. But if you do have a blue text bubble and the pop-up menu appears, select Edit. You will then be able to edit the original text message that you sent. Once you're done, hit the blue check mark on the right. It will then update the message and now show edited underneath of it. If you want to see the edit history of your message, you can tap the edited label here and it'll show you the text history. And to hide the edit history, just tap hide edits again. Just remember, you only have a 15-minute time frame to edit your messages. And that's how you edit a text message with iOS 16 on your iPhone.